on in our financial literacy unit, specifically focusing on the task of creating a budget. As we have already discussed in class, financial literacy is defined as the ability to use knowledge and skills to effectively manage financial resources for a lifetime of financial well-being. We will also continue to explore how financial literacy can help alleviate financial stress for you, both now and in the future. Okay, so now, what will we learn in this video? We will learn 3 important things. Number 1, why a budget is necessary. Number 2, what is a budget? And number 3, how to create a budget. All 3 of these considerations will be very important to you as you create your own budget for a job that can be attained with a high school diploma. Tomorrow in class, you will receive your specific job assignments and will begin creating your budget in your table groups. It will be fun, but first, you will need some important knowledge before you begin this project. Students, please make sure to take notes on academic vocabulary in your interactive notebooks, please. Okay, let's begin. Our big concept today is budgeting. So, what is a budget? A budget is a plan for managing money in a way that best meets your personal needs and wants. Now for your project, you will need to be flexible when you are creating a budget, as you will be doing this within your table groups. You may have differing opinions on how to spend money, so you will need to effectively communicate your thoughts and may need to compromise. Just a heads up. However, when you create a personal budget for yourself, you need to make sure that it reflects your needs and wants. These are going to be very specific to you. So you need to make sure that you are aware and honest about how you spend your money so that your budget is accurate and usable. Okay, here's a little budgeting humor because you all know how I am and you know I need some laughs to get me through my day. So, we have a dad. He is looking at his herd of 8 children and says, "I've taken another close look at the budget and I'm sorry. I'm going to have to let 2 of you go." You'll have a chance to explain his thoughts during a short online quiz at the end of the video. I know you all are excited about that one. Now, why is a budget important? First, it can help you develop better financial habits. Budgeting can increase your financial literacy skills and make you better at managing your money. Second, it can help relieve emotional stress. With budgeting, you don't have to worry about how you are going to pay your bills or if you will have enough money to make it through the month, because you will already have a way to balance the amount of money you make with the amount of money you spend. The hard part may be following through with your budget, but that will come with hard work and discipline. Lastly, it can help you achieve your financial goals. If you want to buy a car, budgeting can help make sure you save enough money to accomplish that goal. If you want to buy a house one day, budgeting can help you make sure you don't spend too much money on other things, like going out to eat too much. So, what makes up a budget? It includes 2 important items, income and expenses. Income is, of course, any money that is earned or made. This includes allowances, salaries, wages, and tips. When you are older, it can include other things such as investments and savings. A budget also includes expenses, which can be divided up into essential and non-essential items. Essential items are items such as food and housing, while non-essential items are items such as entertainment and going out to eat, a very popular thing to do for adolescents and young adults. Next, the steps to creating a budget are: Number 1, set financial goals. Determine your essential and non-essential items each month. Number 2, estimate your income. It does not have to be a specific amount. Just make sure you use a reasonable estimate. Number 3, record what you spend. This is so important when creating a budget because when you write down what you spend, you can very clearly see your expenses each month. Number 4, budget for fixed and variable expenses. I know these sound like big words, but fixed expenses are just those that are the same amount each and every month. They can include your rent payment, your car payment, or student loan payments, to just name a few. Variable expenses, however, are those expenses that can fluctuate or change each month. They can include your food costs or electricity bills. And when in doubt, guess high. Always overestimate your variable expenses so that your budget can be easily maintained. Number 5, review and evaluate your budget on a regular basis or a monthly basis. Okay, one last item I wanted to include is an example of a sample budget. So here you can see a monthly net income, also the monthly expenses, and then any spending money, which is arrived at subtracting the monthly expenses from the monthly income. At the bottom of the page, you can see a daily spending money goal, which can be arrived at when you divide your spending money by 30 days, which is just an estimate of the amount of days in a month. Thank you, class, for watching this video and taking the appropriate notes in your interactive notebook. Now you can head over to our Google Classroom site, just follow the link provided, and you will take a short quiz on the material covered in this video. I will see you tomorrow in class. Thank you.